All right, so let's go 3.5, determinant and Cramer's rule. Yes, we will do that. Okay, so let's take a look at the objective. 1, evaluate a second order determinant. 2, solve a system of linear equation in 2 variables using Cramer's rule. 3, evaluate a third order determinant. 4, solve a system of linear equation in 3 variables using Cramer's rule. 5, use determinant to identify an inconsistent and dependent systems. You have some words here or vocabulary, you need to look into the internet or the book or the worksheet to find their meaning. Arabic, English, both, okay? Now let's take a look at the rules. A square matrix. What's mean square matrix? Means 2 by 2. What's mean 2 by 2? 2 rows, 2 columns. Has the same number of rows as column. A determinant in Arabic means al-muhaddad. Al-muhaddad is a real number associated with the square matrix. So only with the square matrix the determinant can be calculated. The determinant is denoted by placing the vertical bars about the array of numbers. The values of the second order determinant is. So if you have here, as you can see here, this is called determinants. When you have a line here like this, like looks like absolute value, that's called determinants. So you're going to multiply A1 times B1. Okay. Subtract from A2 times B1. Remember, we're subtracting. So let's take an example. What should I multiply here? Yes. First, we start from A1 to B2. Yes. So how much is that? 2 times 4. 8. Subtract from 3 times minus 1. And at the end, that give you the determinant. Okay. Is this clear? Yes. All right. So let's go for Cramer's rule. Cramer's rule states that you have to get the determinants. Okay. But if for both, for the x value and for the y value. But what about this is the denominator? But what about the numerator? What about it? There is some changes that you have to make. Do you see this one? This is called constant. This is called what? You replace the constant instead of the x values. And if you are doing for the y, you replace the constant instead of what? The y value. That's the difference between getting the y value and the x value. That's the only difference. Okay? So let's take an example here. I have 5, 3, -1, 2. Up to you, is clear? Please pay attention. Please stop what you're doing and pay attention. So I'm going to do the Big Daddy. This is called what? Big Daddy. So you're going to multiply 5 times 2. Subtract it from what? Exactly. And Big Daddy, how much? That's it. Big Daddy. I call it Big Daddy, but it's not Big Daddy, it's the determinant. Okay? Now we're going to get the determinant of x. How can I get the determinant of x? I replace the constant instead of the x values. So where is the x values here? This is the x value, which is 5, -1, correct? Now I'm going to replace it with the constant. What is the constant? 7 and 9. You see, look here. I put it here. Next time you do the y, and you find the determinant. How can you get the determinant? Same way. 7 times 2 minus 9 times 3. Easy as easy. And you get the value for dx. Now for dy, same thing. 5 times 9 minus 1 and 7. And you get the dy. After you get dx, dy, then you find what? X, which is dx over d. In this case, how much is x? Same thing for the y. dy over d. And how much is y? 4. That's it. Easy as easy? That's like overview. Remember, I will not give you 3 by 3 because 3 by 3, it will take long time to do it. But I can teach you it if you want. So this is just on a summary. I'm giving you a summary. This is also how many here? 1, 2, 3. This is 3 by 3. So that's it's going to take time to do it. Okay. Now let's go into the lesson. Okay. You have this paper? You don't have this paper, right? You printed out the booklet, right? So here, how can I get the determinants? Yalla, who can tell me? 5 times 3 minus 2 times 4, and then subtraction in the middle. So how much this? Minus how much total? 7. So your determinant for this is 7. Is this? Do you understand? So this is classwork. I want you to do this, okay? Also, this is the Cramer. What should I put here? What's the values?
1.
What is the matrix first? Tell me the matrix. What is the matrix?
2, 1.
1, 1,
Yeah.
8. And 1 minus 1 minus 2. Okay. So this is a, if I want to get only D, how can I get D? It will be 1, 1, 1 minus 1, which equal what? Who can tell me?
0.
1 times what? Minus 1 minus 1 times 1. Is this clear?
Yeah.
So that's equal what? Negative 1, negative 1. So your answer will be what?
Negative 2.
So what is your determinant?
2 minus 2.
Minus 2. If you want to get, so this one is like this. This is 1, 1, 1, negative 1. Okay. Same thing here. 1, 1, 1, negative 1, which is this one. Is this clear? Now, what about the x? What you gonna replace? Who can tell me? This is a constant, right? So where do I put the constant? Here. Where do I put the constant?
Here.
Here. And then we put what?
Uh,
What do I put here? 1 minus 1. And here? 1, 1. And then you find the, he's not asking you to solve it, but just only to do this. Now, can I show you 3 by 3? How to do matrix 3 by 3? You want to see by 3 by 3? First, you choose one row or one column. Which row he's choosing? 3, 4, 5. He's choosing this one, right?
Yes.
So take a look what I'm going to do now. I'm going to hide this and hide that. So if you're smart, you can tell me what is left. 3, 1, 1, 1. Okay? I use the 3 outside. Now, next time, I will go to the next row. This is the row, second row. I put the 4 here. And then what are the numbers, Ahmed? 2, 1.
No, I don't
One.
understand the tertib.
Yeah. I'm choosing this row. So I put the values here. 3, 4, 5. Is this clear?
With multiple.
And then طيب خليني اطلع على البورد واحلها لك على البورد. اوكي؟ نعم. يا ممكن تغير.
تروح شوي كله واحد.
هنا اخذت ايه؟ 3 4 5. هتحط 3 والdeterminant 4 و5.
Multiply them by.
Now I'm going to hide this. Hide the row. And hide what?
The row.
And the column. Hide the row and the column. So what's left?
3, 1, 3, 1, 1.
3, 1, 1, 1. I wrote down here. Now again, you hide the row and you hide the column. What's left?
2, 1, 1, 1.
Okay, you hide the row, hide the column. What's left?
2, 1, 3, 1.
Exactly. And now you multiply this, and that gives you the determinant for 3 by 3. Which one is easier, 3 by 3 or 2 by 2?
2 by 2.
2 by 2 is easier, right?
Yes.
This is direct. So, but anyway, I'm just showing you the 3 by 3. So, what's the number here, ya Ahmad? 2, 3, 1, 1. Correct? Is this clear? Now, the question comes here. Where do I get the minus here? Where did I get the plus here? We have something called matrix sign. Matrix signs. This goes like this. It said plus, minus, plus, minus, plus, minus, plus, minus, plus. So whatever number you are using, the 3, where is the position of the 3?
Positive.
Positive. So that's why it's positive here. What is the position of 4?
Negative.
Negative. That's why I use negative here, this one. So that's why I use negative. See? What's the position of 5?
Positive.
Positive. That's why I use positive. Now you're going to multiply. 3 times 1
3.
3,
minus 1 times 1,
1.
1.
1. And don't forget, what do we have outside? 3. Correct? This 3. Then negative 4. Then multiply. Yalla, tell me. 2 times 1, which how much? 2. 1 times 1, 1.
1.
And all this multiply times what?
4.
Then plus 5. 2 times
1.
1 minus
3.
3. And how much did you find the answer? You find the answer, you find the answer, and then you get a value at the end.
How minus 3? Isn't it 3?
Because always you subtract.
No.
In the middle here there is subtraction. انت بتاخد الدياجونال وبتطرحهم من بعض. الدياجونال اوكي وبتطرحهم من ايه؟ من بعض.
Substitute.
Subtraction. Subtraction. Substituted حاجة تانية. ده subtraction يعني ايه بالعربي؟ طرح. Substitute يعني ايه؟ تعويض. بتعوض قيمة عن قيمة. Is this clear؟ تعالى بقى ناخد ايه شوية أمثلة. يلا مين يحل ديت؟ يلا يلا قول كام؟
Minus 4 times 6 and 5 times 1.
How much?
Minus 24.
How much?
Minus 29.
Exactly. Easy as easy? You copy? يلا اللي بعده. هنا بيقول لك ايه؟ Use Cramer rule to solve the system. هنعمل ايه هنا؟ الأول لازم نعمل الماتريكس. الماتريكس هنا عبارة عن كام؟ كده ده الماتريكس صح؟ طيب عشان اجيب قيمة x اجيبها ازاي؟ دي x على دي صح؟ وعشان اجيب y
دي واي على دي.
بالظبط. طيب نجيب دي اكس عبارة عن الديترمينانت اللي هو عبارة عن كام؟ خلينا نغير الألوان عشان أحمد بس يشوف. ده 15 وده كام؟ 13. ماشي يا أحمد باشا.
الدي اكس ناخذ جهة الواي نبدلها واي صح؟
ماشي قول لي يا أحمد هحط هنا كام يا أحمد؟ 12 و3 و2 minus 3 صح؟ ده مش بلاش الحركة دي ببقك. أوكي؟ يبقى ده إيه؟ ده بيج دادي. اللي تحت ده إيه؟ ده البيج دادي ثابت. أوكي؟ ما بيتغيرش. طيب بالنسبة للدي إكس يا أحمد هنحط إيه يا أحمد؟ هنحط ال 15 وال 13 فين؟
على اليمين.
هنا. برافو عليك. طب هنا في الواي؟
نفس الشيء.
برافو عليك.
13.
وهنحط هنا بقى القيم العادية بتاعتنا اللي هي كام؟ 3 نيجاتيف 3 وهنا 12 and 2. Is this clear؟ دلوقتي هنعمل ايه؟ هنطلع القيم مظبوط؟ 12 times negative 3. Very good. Minus 2 times 3? 6. What about y? Same thing, right?
Yeah.
طيب التوب هنا يلا you have calculator multiply tell me how much. Yeah, I'm faster than the calculator. Minus 3 times 13.
39.
Good. Here 12 times this needs calculator. 12 times 13 how much?
156.
156. 2 times 15? 30. Now can you tell me how much if you subtract? يلا يا مستر.
First one 2x. This
هنا
is
how much
2.
here?
This 2.
The whole thing is 2?
Yes. The whole thing.
Are you sure?
Yes. This is.
This one is what? Negative 42, صح? And how much in the top?
84.
84. So the answer, how much is x? 2. What about this one?
Y is negative 3.
Negative 3? Are you sure? Subtract, what do you get?
126 and minus 42.
So your solution set is what?
293.
Easy as easy? If you understand, raise your hand. If you don't understand, raise your hand. Ahmed.
Little question.
Yes.
The x, here you put it on the left, then the y on the right. The what we call this 15 and 13. This
Yes, this is the
constant.
constant. This is the constant. يعني
y
ايه constant؟
constant on the right.
الثابت.
The x on the
بنحط
left.
عشان هي دي الطريقة بتاعت الحاج كريمر. قال لك replace the constant instead of the x values.
وبيختلف النتيجة لو باي بدل.
Is this clear? Anybody else? You understand? Can I give you one to do?
If you want.
Can you work together? Yalla, do this. You have the booklet? Yalla, do this one. Let's work.
1 and 2.
Yes, 1 and 2. Very easy. يلا مين يطلع يحلى على البورد وياخد 1 point participation. يلا محمد. كل واحد واحد.
I'll do 8.
Do whatever you want.
لا عشان this times this times this.
اختار القلم واكتب.
لازم. This one?
Yes.
بسم الله. ناخذ 1 times 3. بعدين خليها داخل براكت احسن. من subtracted by 2 0 equals 3
minus 0.
بس negative 3 صح؟
ثلاثة دي.
كيف؟ 3 minus 0. كيف؟
خلاص. Give him big hand. يلا I need somebody else to do the next one. يلا اتفضل. واحمد بيسجل الدرجات صح يا احمد؟
بس ايش اسم عشان انا اسم
يلا يا مستر.
ايش
أي
اسمه؟
واحد.
كان والله عشان
أي والله.
ضايع.
في اكثر من مره ما كان مرة على الوقت. في 3 درجات حسب القصوره دي.
ايش اسمك طيب؟
اللي تحت عاد عندك مواقف.
لا روح البيت.
يلا يا مستر يلا، ما فيش وقت.
ما اخذ